sila sa concert mo.
Okay po. Maraming salamat, Mama Reg. Mga kapamilya na nandito, I have a concert, my 10th anniversary po, D10 at the Araneta Coliseum on June 1st. Sana po ay makapanood po kayo. Maraming salamat. I love you, Mama Reg!
I love you, Darren! Once again, Darren, ladies and gentlemen! Woo! Thank you, sweetheart.
Thank you po.
That was wonderful. Actually, last minute po namin na tinawagan si Darren because it was actually Julie and San Jose was supposed to be here tonight but unfortunately she got sick. So I had to call Darren and see Julie is okay. I was able to text her. But I'm so thankful for Darren for saying yes kasi super last minute. Thank you so much, Darren. I am very, very grateful. Okay, now. Do you guys remember the 90s? The music of the 90s? Actually, I also don't remember, being born latter part of the century. I don't really remember. But I heard they've made some beautiful and wonderful music back then. So tonight, is that okay with you guys? This is the music of the 90s.
Indeed. Tinrain pa ako niyan, ha? Nakikita niyo ba yan? Nakikita niyo yan, yung tinitrain niya ako, tapos ang saya-saya ko.
Thank you, honey. I just wanted to honor him because he's been working so hard, training me. Baka gusto may mga magpa-train, 500 lang po. I'd like to sing another OPM classic for all of you.
Anak ng tipaklo, ang init ng kampo, mas inumin ka. Parang kakapakulong lang.